These are I love yous.
Okay.
So you go between rib cage and belly button. It'll be an I, an L, and a U.
Okay.
Okay. And you meet the resistance. So I'm literally pushing like this. And you'll feel where he's tense. So he's tense right here, and there's another spot over here. But I released a little bit. Yep. He'll show you exactly what happens. And then you come over here. He's got another one right here.
Okay.
And you just rub it in a little circle, go all the way across, and go down again. And then do this way, and it's right there. Yep.
Okay, yep.
He literally will tell you where it hurts. And then you go around. And then the next thing is you just put your hands underneath his pelvis.
Okay.
There's 2 little bones you can feel. And if you stretch him out.
Oh yeah, look at those little.
Yep. And then he relaxes into it. And you're helping with digestion.
Okay.
Okay? These are all things you can do at home.
Yeah.